Guys, can you tell that Toby loves driving in the car? Aw, look, he's exploring new things. He's pretty playful. So good. Hey Toby, what did you find right there? Yep, there's your toy buddy. Oh, that is awesome. Can you guys tell that he loves driving in the car? So I like my toy, but I like to explore. Oh, are you missing your mom and dad, sweetie? Little cutie. Oops! Did he just open the window? Good boy. We're gonna give you lots of love. Do you love love? Look at this cutie! Oh, he likes to drive, and you know what? Just watching in the window. That's what he loves. I'm telling you. Hey, Toby. Good boy. Toby? Ooh, right there. Good boy. Say, are you really that loving family? Are you really that loving